Trump. We're here at the Winter Fest here in Berwick, and we are enjoying the festivities.
We got some hot chocolate and pretzels.
Yep, so far.
Craft.
Okay, let's do a craft.
It says Jesus is a heart of Christmas.
This is awesome.
You have to vote the one you like most.
And this one is the movie theater.
Berwick. It's Berwick
Oh, they're
movie
playing
theater.
Coco.
Yeah, and there's Olaf and what's that? Monster High. Monster High.
Oh, this one's my favorite.
Do you have to write your name?
No, just the number. They use the
Where do you put it?
You made it, a first shot. Good.
I missed it. Darn it.
Give me a piece of candy for making it.
Woo!
There you go. Merry Christmas.
All right, Clara, go for it. Ah, darn. Almost. Yeah.
Good job. Boom. Good job. There you go. Merry Christmas.
First try. Yeah, I got it.
All right.
Here's my third
What do you
shot.
guys want to go do now?
Go do more crafts.
Okay. I didn't know it was a push door. Okay.
Okay.
I gotta get this stuff before the kids trip on the legs.
Clara's. You get a free finger band? That's really nice.
We are at ice sculpture place.
Okay, let's see what he's doing. Or is that like a special Okay, thank you. Merry Christmas.
We're gonna donate to the
Oh, grab it quick! You gotta hold your hand flat so that he doesn't bite your little
Okay.
fingers. Aw, he's so sweet! That's all for our vlog today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below. Bye.